celebrating the design awards for our Infill Soak It Up program. The idea was to engage people from all over the country to come together for really innovative stormwater solutions.
We have major goals and obligations ahead of us, and we need the design community to be part of changing this look and feel. So putting out this challenge really has allowed the innovative, creative minds of the design community to step up and offer up some ideas of how we're going to make these monumental changes in this city.
They only gave us a little bit of criteria to follow, and the rest was whatever we wanted to do. And I think that's what's exciting, is that we can really set the stage for what stormwater management is. I think the city of Philadelphia can be the standard for the country.
It brings kind of a level of excitement, getting the water department and EPA and the community design collaborative all together. There's a lot of really high-powered people here that are going to learn more about what the possibilities are.
Philadelphia is becoming this laboratory of green infrastructure and sustainable cities, which is really 21st century watershed protection, water quality improvement, but also the multiple benefits to communities. And the naysayers that we've heard in the past talked about, this really isn't going to work, it can't be done, the capacity is not out there in the engineering community nor the architectural community, they won't work together. We're seeing interdisciplinary teams come together, we're seeing designs that are cost effective, we're getting these integrated, innovative solutions.
In the industrial category, the winner is leveraging water and plants.
We felt that the secret was to find a way to include not just rainwater, but other benefits to a property owner. So we are looking for ways to increase the value of the property, make the property easier to adapt to new uses, make it more attractive, and make the whole neighborhood more exciting.
The neighborhood category, our outstanding winner is Meeting Green.
It's really about how can we take these big planning goals and make them community-based and strategic. Even if you only achieved a third of the PWD's Green Acre goals, that could be massive, massive reinvestment in city building where we have our most valuable asset, our neighborhoods.
In the commercial category, the winner is Stormwater Restore.
We really focused on the community aspect. So what we were trying to do is do stuff that would get the most impact, but minimize the operations and making sure that everything we did really had a benefit on the site, first for the public and then acted as a stormwater management.
It's a great expansion of your mind to think about what our neighborhoods can be, rather than being so limited to the concrete structures that we surround ourselves with. And sustainability means really not just advancing your environmental goals, but advancing the community goals and your economic goals at the same time. The more multiple benefits you can get, the cheaper things become, because you're not just designing a solution for one purpose, you're designing it for many purposes.
What I'm fascinated by is that they incorporate more people-friendly designs. They become the gathering spot. They reduce urban heat island effects, which ultimately addresses public health, lowers respiratory disease. They provide more trees and more green for our children, bringing businesses, bringing jobs to our communities. It just has lasting effect. I think it's a great way to pay it forward.
The Philadelphia Water Department has done amazing things, and you used to hear about Seattle and Portland, and that was about it. And now you hear about Philadelphia, so it's getting a lot of attention across the country as well.
Our vision is at the forefront, is big, and it's now time to get moving and get it out there.
Let's bring it. I think this is a good way. We're going to use this and challenge all the other communities out there that say they want to do it.